Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick overview of Mango Market, what it is, how to use it, and what you can look forward to in the future. So Mango Market is a decentralized exchange on Solana. So with Mango Markets, you can go long or short, about 5 different markets right now, and then you can do so with up to 5x leverage. Additionally, with Mango Markets V3, they have introduced perpetual futures for Bitcoin right now. So as time goes on in the future, we'll have more and more markets added. If we go here to the Mango Markets doc, Mango V3 will have these features, up to 16 different tokens to borrow, lend, or margin trade with on Serum DEX, up to 16 different perp contracts with leverage up to 10x initially, plans to expand to 50 markets and tokens after some anticipated Solana upgrades, and then all token deposits and perp positions are used as collateral by default. So everything is cross-margined, which is quite nice. As well as, you can also make your own isolated margin accounts because Mango Markets allows for you to make separate accounts on the DEX itself. So that's really cool. And that's what I love about Mango Markets. It's probably one of the best DEXs currently on Solana. The only problem that I have with it right now is that you can only swap between a few different pairs, as you'll be able to see now when I get onto the trading user interface. So if you click there on start trading, I'm going to connect my wallet so we can see what's going on. So you can go up here and then you can change which one you want. Currently only Phantom and the Solid Web3 wallets are compatible. I have Solid one, so I'm just going to connect. Okay, I'm in. Excellent. If we go down here, we can see that in my account on Mango Markets, I already have $22.72. And then because we have up to 10x leverage, this is how much margin I have available, $227.20, which is pretty cool. So Mango Markets, like I said before, is a DEX that allows you to leverage trade, go long or short, like a bunch of different assets. The way that I would like to think of Mango Markets is basically FTX, but on-chain, right? Has a lot of the same functionality that FTX has, but it's on the Solana blockchain, so decentralized, permissionless, so on and so forth. And it has the benefits that DEXs provide, especially because of the fact that if you are from a restricted jurisdiction, you cannot trade perps on FTX, but you can on Mango Markets because it's decentralized and they don't have those kind of limits. And this is one thing that Mango Markets has over Bonfida, because Bonfida also offers perpetual futures on more than just Bitcoin right now, and it has up to 20x leverage. But if you're from the United States, the UK, like other restricted jurisdictions, you aren't able to use Bonfida unless you use a VPN. So this is what I like about Mango Markets, because I don't want to mess around using a VPN. I can just go ahead and use this anyway. So if we go up here, we can see the different markets currently available right now. So we have Mango, USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Serum. You also have USDT, USDC swaps here natively, which is quite cool. But most token pairs here are in USDC. I think a lot of people trust USDC more than they trust USDT. But Mango is the native token of Mango Markets. They recently did a raise where they allowed the public to participate, and I think they raised 70 million, which is really cool. So Mango is a valueless governance token, like most DEX tokens out there. For right now, it just gives you access to the DAO, and you can make votes and so on and so forth. So let's take a look into actually how you would go about trading on Mango Markets. As we can see here on the left, they have trading view charts, which is nice. They don't have the exact functionality that trading view charts would have. You'll have like all of your basic indicators, like your Bollinger Bands or moving averages. You can add that to the chart, as well as being able to measure moves and so on and so forth, and then draw lines if you wanted to, if that's your thing. However, you're not going to be able to add any of your custom indicators. I typically only use the actual TradingView charts. I wouldn't really look at this to execute any, like, I would only go to Mango Markets just to execute the trade. Any of my charting I would do natively on TradingView itself, and then go here and then place a trade. Over here we can go see the balances. This is how much you have currently on Mango Markets. So the way that it works is that you deposit assets onto Mango Markets, and then when you do that, it is all automatically part of your collateral, and then it is lent out, and you will receive like a return on that assets that you have deposited. And then when you want to take it off Mango Markets, you're gonna have to press withdraw, and then it will be taken back onto your Web3 wallet. I'm using Solid right now, but you know, it's the same thing if you're on Phantom. So this is the Bitcoin perps. You also have Mango USDC. So if you wanted to buy or sell Mango, you'd go here, click on that. Now, what is nice is that all of these coins here, they can be used as collateral, which is very similar to what you see on like FTX, which makes them like a really good exchange, because you can put basically any token that they have listed, it can be collateral. So here, if you wanted to, you could put Mango down as collateral, and then long Mango on leverage, so you're longing your longs, so you could get extra long Mango. But of course, you know, you have the risk of liquidation as well if you are taking on that much extreme leverage. But I'm going to place a trade for you guys. I'll probably do what is the most liquid. Let's just do BTC Perp. So because Mango Markets is a limit order book exchange and it's built on top of the Serum DEX, you have the choice to do limit orders or market orders, similar to what you would see on a decentralized exchange. So no automatic market makers here. If you want to do that, you can go to Radium or you can go to Symmetry. This is more for people who would like the centralized exchange experience, or if you just want to make the markets. And if you do that, you actually get Mango rewards right now, because they want to incentivize liquidity for Mango Markets, and to do that, they're handing out Mango to anyone who will be providing liquidity. But yeah, let's go about placing a trade. So I only have a small amount of USDC, so let's just do 20 for now. So this is a very small amount. If I do a limit order of 593, and we're going to press buy. So we can see here that maker fee is 0, taker fee is 0.05%. So because I'm doing a limit order, I should be getting the maker fee. And then I'll approve the transaction. So if we go here to open orders, we can see here that I've got Bitcoin perp. I've bought 0.0004 at the price of 49,593, and this is how much I'm buying, and I've got the limit order in. I'm just going to wait for it to get filled. This might take a couple of minutes or so. Okay, I just cancelled my order because I didn't think it would get filled. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do another one at 605, should be a good amount, and then let's do $20. Let's actually adjust this, so I want to get filled. Then I can press approve, and it will take a couple of seconds for this to just go all the way through. Excellent. Okay, so it looks like my order went through. So we can see here, this is the market that I traded long. This is the size. This is my entry and my current P&L. So I'm down like 6 cents, which is not a lot. So because I did my limit order earlier on, I've been able to get some Mango. So I've been given just a very small amount. If you want to claim that, you can just press claim and then approve it, and then that will go down to 0, and that Mango has now just gone to your wallet. So you can do whatever with it there. You can swap it for USDC, you can put it back in as collateral so you can trade more. But yeah, whatever. Okay, so Now if you wanted to close your position, you can press sell. I'm just going to market sell here, and I'm going to go all the way up. Let's not do 10x leverage. There we go. This is 100% of my position. I'm just going to press sell. I'm going to approve it. So that was just a market sell. So I'll be expecting to have this 0.05% taker fee. If I go on my trade history here, we can see what I've bought and sold. This was my fee for doing that trade. It was ridiculous. That's less than a cent. That is just a little under a cent, which is brilliant. So as I was discussing before, when you deposit any collateral onto Mango Markets, it automatically gets lent out. And because I've gone on to one of the spot markets, you can see down here below where it goes to balances, you can see how much the interest rates are and the borrowing rates are. So because I've only got USDC right now in Mango Markets, we can see here that my balance is at $22, and that the interest rates that I'm receiving for depositing any USDC is currently 13.94%, and if I were to borrow any, it would be at 19.26% borrow rate. Now, these interest rates are heavily affected by the utilization ratio, so this is how much of the USDC is actually being borrowed. The more USDC being borrowed in relation to how much is being lent out, the higher the utilization ratio gets, and then the more the APY for deposits is, and the more the APY for borrows are. But you can see the stats for that up here, and then you can see the total deposit values and the total borrow values. Now, Mango Markets V3 didn't launch very long ago. I think it was like Tuesday, August 31st. As you can see here, the deposits went from almost 200k to 17 million, so there's a lot of interest in using Mango Markets. I think, as I said before, this is one of the best decentralized exchanges on Solana, and it's got a lot of institutional interest. So you also have Mango Markets V1 and V2. So Mango Markets V1, I think, only has Bitcoin and Ethereum trading there, and you have USDT as the stablecoin of which you can trade Bitcoin and Ethereum against. Mango Markets V2 has introduced a lot more. So you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Serum, and it uses USDC. As you can see here, the deposit rates and borrow rates are quite high. So you can cycle your money between V2 and V3 if you just want to use Mango Markets as a stablecoin farm, because you can just do that, because when you put your USDC in here, you automatically just earn yield on it, which is quite nice. And if I've made a video before talking about the best stablecoin yield farms on Solana, and I mentioned Mango Markets as one of them. So just for fun, I'm going to put on a 10x leverage long on the Bitcoin perps here. Let's go. To prove that. Excellent. So this is how much long I am Bitcoin. Currently down 38 cents, which is fine. And my break-even price, my average entry price, and so on and so forth. I can close this position just by going here and then manually closing it, or I can go here and then press market close, and that will close it for me. So yeah, I might get liquidated on this. We'll see. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one, and please go use Mango Markets. It's one of the best DEXs on Solana, and I hope that you can form your own opinion when you try it.